Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm at Walmart in the women's shoes section, and I'm going to share with you the summer shoes they have, the spring summer shoes that they have at Walmart. They have some cute flip-flops that are starting to roll in. I love these. And they have these black ones and brown ones and tan ones with a sparkly like strap on them. And these gray ones. And they're $4, which I still think that's kind of expensive for Walmart. But because at Old Navy, they have that dollar flip-flop day. In June at Old Navy, you can get flip-flops for $1. It's usually the end of June. So for $8, they have these sandals with this black strap or a tan strap or a white strap or a gold strap or this light blue strap. And then for $12, they have these sandals with the details on them. And then they have these kind up here for $12. And I don't know if they're like waiting to get more spring and summer shoes in, or if they have just had people buy them, or if this is just what we're gonna get this year. But they have a whole bunch of these tennis shoes in different colors. I love the leopard print. And then they have these for $15. These are super cute. They have that band on them. They're like slides. And they have some similar to these at Target. And then they have these slip-ons for $15. And I also found some Croc knockoffs that I'm going to show you. They have these little dress shoes for $9. I like these little snakeskin ones. And over here are the Crocs, like the fake Crocs. They have one pair of this pastel rainbow left, so these are all $10. So I hope you like seeing the women's shoes at Walmart. I'm sure to go back. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.